Welcome to Art Lesson 6, the final polish and shading. In this video, we'll bring your character to life with cell shading. What makes a character pop? It's all about depth and contrast. Today, we're applying the finishing touches using cell shading and bold re-inking to ensure your character stands out. Cell shading uses hard, crisp edges between colors, unlike realistic painting with smooth gradients. Inspired by Akira Toriyama, we use one darker shade to define muscle and clothing folds. When picking your shadow color, remember that shadows aren't just black. For skin tones, try adding a tiny drop of purple or brown. For clothes, use a deeper shade of the same hue to keep colors vibrant. The re-inking process involves fixing lines that paint may have covered. Also, vary the line weight by making outer lines slightly thicker than inner details to help your character stand out. Now it's studio time. Step 1 is shading. Add your Toriyama shadows using a darker shade of your base color and keep the edges sharp. Step 2 is re-inking. Use a thin brush or marker to boldly outline your character and fix any messy paint edges. Let's look at the big picture. As we assemble the pieces, consider how your background color affects your character. High contrast makes the character pop, while low contrast can create a specific mood. Brighter backgrounds and dark characters make them stand out. Complementary colors create the most energy. Consistency in line weight ensures all pieces belong in the same world. This is the final assembly layout for our 20 collaborative panels. Notice the interlocking grid layout, shared landscape colors, and seamless alignment of the individual pieces. To summarize, we applied cell shading for 3D depth and used re-inking for bold contrast. Finally, we collaborated to assemble our giant anime wood puzzle masterpiece. How does our collective scene look now?